Hello, my name is Elizabeth Lopes, and I'm here to provide a brief overview of special education law in the United States. This video is designed for parents and guardians of students with disabilities to help you understand how laws and court decisions have shaped the education of children today. I find it interesting to see how far we have come in the progress of special education in our schools. Before the 1970s, students with disabilities often had little to no access to public education. Many children were excluded entirely or placed in separate institutions. Families were often told that schools could not meet their child's needs, leaving parents with few options or support. Children with disabilities were frequently hidden from public view and denied opportunities to learn alongside their peers. Society slowly began to recognize that these practices were unfair and harmful to children and families. Parents and advocates started speaking out for equal rights and access to education. This growing awareness led to legal challenges and social movements demanding change. As a result, the belief that all children have a right to education helped set the stage for important policy changes in special education. In 1975, the Education for All Handicapped Children Act was passed, later renamed the Individuals with Disabilities Education Act, or IDEA. IDEA guarantees that students with disabilities receive free, appropriate public education, also known as FAPE, F-A-P-E, in the least restrictive environment, which we now call LRE. Another important law is Section 504 of the Rehabilitation Act, which prohibits discrimination based on disability in schools that receive federal funding. Several court cases have shaped parental and student rights. Number one, the Board of Education versus Rowley in 1982. This case clarified that schools must provide educational programs that are appropriate, but not necessarily the best possible. The second court case is Andrew F. versus Douglas County School District. In 2017, this decision raised the standard for student progress under IDEA, emphasizing that schools must offer programs that enable meaningful progress. Additionally, laws like FERPA protect your child's educational records, giving parents access and privacy rights. To stay informed about special education law, I recommend the following resources. Number one, the U.S. Department of Education Office of Special Education Programs, or OSEP, has a fantastic website, which I've linked below. Second, the Florida Department of Education Exceptional Student Education website. And third, the Rights Law Special Education Law and Advocacy website. These are all linked in our notes. These resources provide up-to-date information on legal changes, advocacy, and parental guides. Understanding the history and legal framework of special education empowers you as a parent to advocate for your child with confidence and knowledge. When parents understand their rights and the protections provided by a law, they are better prepared to participate in meetings, ask questions, and make informed decisions about their child's education. The laws we have today help ensure that students with disabilities receive meaningful learning experiences, appropriate supports, and equal opportunities to succeed alongside their peers. These protections also encourage collaboration between families and schools, creating stronger partnerships focused on student success. Staying informed allows parents to recognize when services are working well and when changes need to be made. Thank you for taking the time to learn more, and please continue using these resources to stay informed, involved, and empowered in your child's educational journey. Thank you.